I would say in the finished products, the ones that I'm making myself, it's more valuable. I'm the one who is dictating
Okay.
what I'll get out of the product that I make.
Hello, Francis.
Hello, how are you, Bruce?
Yeah, welcome to China again since our last visit in 2018.
Thank you.
It has been 7 years. You have made a great progress in your life and business.
Yes, it's a pleasure working with you all that time.
Okay.
Since I came to China.
Okay, so today I would like to have a brief interview with you to review our past. Okay. My first question is, could you brief introduction yourself and your company?
Yeah, my name, as you said, Bruce, is Francis Mureu from a Kenyan company, paper converting company called Click Systems Limited.
So before you started your career, what's your job and what's your career experiences?
I've been a salesman for Click Systems Limited. Before I started converting paper, I was buying locally and selling locally.
Buying locally and selling locally?
And selling locally.
Okay. Yes. Do you remember the moment you first connected with Jota in 2017?
I can remember because I was doing trading. I was importing finished products from China and selling them to Kenya. And then I decided that I needed to convert the paper myself and make the rolls myself in Kenya.
Okay.
That's when I contacted Jota Machinery.
Okay. What made you decide to buy one thermal paper sifting machine in the moment?
The reason that I shifted from buying finished paper products from China is that my stock could get finished, some size, and then I could find I don't have the size. So I realized that if I could buy the jumbo roll and I buy the machines from Jota, I would cut the sizes as per the customer requirements.
Okay.
So that ensured that I didn't have any stockouts.
Oh, so because of the stock of the materials, so you decided to start this business yourself?
Yes.
Okay, that's great.
I would cut the sizes as per the requirements I had.
Okay. Yes. So you once believed the manufacturing was too risk and unprofitable compared to the trading. What changed your mind? Because this is a normal question. Many people think the trading is low profit and manufacturing maybe no profit. So they are always just wondering about this situation. So you can give us some ideas for that.
Basically, what drove me into manufacturing than trading is that I would meet the customer requirements.
Customer requirements.
As per what they wanted. I would make with the machines myself.
So you can meet the customer requirements.
Customer requirements.
And some with printing and for the value.
Yes.
Additional.
If customer wanted their paper rolls to be printed, I'll make the design myself and I would print using Jota machines, and I would slit and get the finished product for the customer.
Okay, so at the beginning you thought for the manufacturing was very difficult to get a profit. So what's the result? What's the real situation on that?
I would say in the finished products, the ones that I'm making myself, it's more valuable.
More valuable?
More valuable.
Okay.
Because I'm the one who is dictating what I'll get out of the product that I make.
That's great, because I also think because you have your own manufacturing, so you can control your quality, your delivery time, and to give them more value.
That is key. One, you interact directly with the customer. You know what the customer wants. You also control the delivery time to your customer.
Yes.
You don't have to go and import from far. You do it there.
Yes.
In 1 or 2 days, you deliver to the customer.
So that is a fast delivery.
Yes.
And good services.
Good services, and the customer is sure he won't be out of stock because you are here, he is here.
So that means, this is also important.
Continuity.
They can feel the safety.
Yes.
On the business.
On the business
transition.
Yes.
Okay. Looking back, what were the biggest challenges in making the transition from trader to manufacturing?
My biggest challenge is always because I didn't have the engineering background, operations of the machine.
Yeah.
But now Jota machines, once you start using Jota machines, they are easy to operate and you'll be able to move. You train your people and you operate.
So, okay, even you don't have the engineering background and you can work easily by the Jota Machinery.
Yes, you teach your people 1, 2, 3, 4 days.
Yeah.
And they perfect.
Okay.
Yes. There's no much breakdowns of the machines.
So the machine quality is okay?
My machine is very stable.
Very stable?
Very stable. Because that is one thing, that is one challenge that you have to look at.
Yeah.
Because the distance between Kenya and China is
far away. Yeah.
So if the machine breaks down easily, it becomes inconvenient.
Okay, we're talking about something working about the Jota Machinery. Yes. Okay, just now you said you have purchased 4 machines, right?
4 machines. 4 machines.
4 machines. Every year since 2017. What made you keep coming back? Since 2017, you purchase 1 machines every year.
Every year. And
so that means you expanded your business.
Not just 7 years.
Yeah.
There's 2 years that was pandemic.
Yes, because
I was to come earlier.
Yeah.
Pandemic made me not come back. But now I want to continue with Jota Machinery because I want to start making labels.
Yes.
So when I am buying spare parts for my machines, I want to buy from one place. Label machines. Yes.
Okay. How has Jota's equipment helped your business growing?
Efficiency is key. The machines are very, very efficient. Very easy to operate and easy to use.
So no any problems?
No much breakdowns, nothing.
Nothing,
just,
right?
Yes. If I need spare parts, I just email and I pay and I get my spare parts.
So it's a very fast delivery and
yes.
the convenient operation.
Yes.
Have you recommended Jota Machinery to others? If yes, why?
I would say I would recommend because of the stability of the machinery and the kind of customer service I get from Jota. Okay. Because not even buying the machines is important to Jota, even the customer service. How are you operating the machine? They are interested. They want to know.
We have one team. Yes. Just in the WeChat and WhatsApp. There was a group,
yes.
Right?
Yes. They form a group. They teach me how to use the machine, how to fix the spare. It is easy.
Okay.
Yes.
That's very good. You bought your own factory buildings, moved into the new house, and started a life with a happy life. In your view, what's a happy business?
Yeah. It's beneficial. You benefit yourself and you benefit your community. Yes.
Actually, yesterday when you talked with me about your employees, because now you have more than 20 employees.
Yes.
That means in Africa, that means more than 20 families.
Yes.
Yeah. So you also attribute to the society.
Yes.
You are a great person. Right. Yeah,
that is wonderful.
Yeah, actually, in the past 7 years, I was happy to say you are growing in Kenya, and the Jota Machinery in China. We are also paid more attention to the management systems, to technology, to engineering department. So today, you can say both of us are growing.
Yes.
In the past years, right?
Yes, a lot.
Yeah. So the moment we are still small, but now we are just more stronger and more powerful and more professional. Yes. So I hope we can set up this bridge for a long time between China and Kenya.
It is very important to establish stability. Jota Machinery is my first point in China.
The first point.
The first point of starting is in China, at Jota Machinery in China. That's why I have a reason and believe to come back to Jota and still continue with that.
Go with Jota Machinery.
With Jota Machinery. That Jota is home and that is where I know.
Okay, yes. First, we are happy to say you're growing in the past years. You're hardworking, you moved the new factory, you set up the new team and to attribute it to everyone. Really, You are very great. You made a great progress in the past years. We are so proud to you, Francis.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for
Thank you,
everything.
Bruce.
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah.